This model, as you can see, was very helpful for us to use as an example. So one more problem this model had was a line down the middle of the surface. And this happens very commonly. I'm sure maybe many of you have even seen this with models you've brought in to Archicad or to ModelPort, and it has a line in the middle of a surface, and it shouldn't be there. So what we're going to do is we're going to use what's called normals. We're going to recalculate that so that that line goes away. So we're going to go over here. First, we're going to select the hood. And then we're going to go down here to recalculate normal where that red arrow is at. Click that, check that, so it turns on. We can also adjust the degree there if we need to. But you can see just by turning it on, the line goes away. And so having done that, fixed at ModelPort, not fixed in Archicad yet. And for those of you who have been using ModelPort, you know that you now need to click the update button. For those of you who have not used ModelPort before, whenever you make a change within ModelPort, in order for that change to go through into Archicad, you need to click the update button. So we're going to go up there. We're going to click that update button. And when we do that, it's now going to update within Archicad as well.